Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to be looking at how we can easily download the Valorant game on your PC or desktop in 2025. So before further ado, let's get into the video. First things first, what you'll have to do is open your desired browser and create a new tab and type in download Epic Games. And once you hit the search button, you will see the first option here, store.epicgames.com. You have to click on it. And now click on install on Windows. And now we can click on save. I already have downloaded and installed this file, so I'm going to show you what's to be done next. So once it's installed, you can click on it and it will start the installation. Once the installation is completed, you can get this Epic Games launcher on your desktop. We'll have to open that. Once you open it, it will ask you to create a new account or sign in with your Gmail. So what you can do is, if you already have an Epic Games account, you can just log into your account. Or else what you can do is create a new account, which is simple. You just need to enter your email address and things like that. So once that's done, what you'll have to do is go into the search bar on the top and type in Valorant. Now you can see here, Valorant game is showing here, so we can click on it. If you scroll a little bit down, you can see this option get, and it says that the game is free. So we can click on this get button. And let head on to this page. What you'll have to do is I will just click on place order. Now we'll have to wait for a bit. Once the loading is finished, you can see it says continue browsing or view in library. I will click on continue browsing and I'll go into library. Now you can see there's a Valorant app option. You can click on it. Okay, now you can see the downloading is started. I think I already have installed the Valorant application, so it's updating. So if you don't have the Valorant application, it will ask you for a get button. So you'll click on it and it will automatically start downloading to your PC. Okay. So I hope this video was informative for you. So if yes, please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.